So what are we doing today? Well, today I wanted to discuss the importance of bartering. And my prime example is the fact that I am getting my wagon welded from my neighbor that I had bartered his welding skills for duck hunting. And so he's over here welding up with his Labrador, his hunting dog. They're welding up my wagon. They're putting on that extra rim, and one of the doors, the chain, the weld fell off, and he's putting up some angle iron so that I can put up the end walls. So I wanted to mention that bartering can really be advantageous to getting things accomplished when you don't have the skill set, and it makes for really good neighbors. Anyway, I also wanted to update on Marmalade's progress, and he is a much happier kitten. He is laying on his side, and his respiratory rate is much decreased. He has his personality back. He's eating now. And after 30 hours of the IV, he had just about enough of the indoors and everything else. So that's what we're doing today.